Welcome to Review Lab. The best gift set is probably one of the most thoughtful and versatile presents you can choose for the special women in your life, especially as Mother's Day approaches, offering a curated collection of items designed to delight and pamper, making it a convenient and impressive way to show your appreciation and love without the stress of picking individual items. Number 5. Spa Luxetique Lavender Bath Set. Unwind and de-stress with our luxurious spa gift set. It's the perfect way to pamper yourself or a loved one. This 8-piece collection includes everything you need for a spa day at home. Enjoy a soothing bubble bath and nourishing lotions. Experience the calming aroma of lavender, known for its relaxing properties. Let the gentle scent transport you to a state of tranquility. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, or just because. Show her how much you care. Each item is crafted with care to provide a premium experience. It's a gift that truly shows you've put thought into it. Elevate your daily routine with this exquisite bath set. It's designed to bring a touch of luxury and serenity to your everyday life. What we like? This set offers a comprehensive spa experience with its 8 pieces. It features a calming lavender scent perfect for relaxation. If you're looking for a complete self-care package for your mom, this is an excellent choice for a relaxing Mother's Day. What people say. The gift set is beautifully packaged, making it an ideal present. It includes a variety of high-quality items that are perfect for pampering. The scent of the products is lovely and long-lasting. Number 4. Lavender 16 PCS Spa Gift Basket. Indulge in a luxurious spa day right at home. This gift basket is designed to help you unwind and rejuvenate. Perfect for mom, wife, friend, daughter, or sister, it's a wonderful way to show you care. Celebrate any occasion with this special present. Immerse yourself in the calming scent of lavender. Each item is carefully selected to provide a soothing and aromatic experience. This comprehensive set includes everything needed for a complete self-care ritual. Treat yourself or someone special to a moment of tranquility. It's a gesture of love, appreciation, and well wishes. Whether for Mother's Day, a thank you, or get well wishes, this basket conveys your heartfelt message. Send a message of comfort and encouragement with this inspirational care package. It's a beautiful way to lift spirits and offer support. What we like? This is a truly abundant gift with 16 pieces, suitable for various occasions beyond Mother's Day. It's designed as an inspirational care package. If you want to send a message of appreciation or well wishes along with a luxurious spa experience, this extensive set is ideal for friends, family, or anyone needing a thoughtful pick-me-up. What people say. The gift set is beautifully packaged, making it an ideal present. It includes a variety of high-quality items that are perfect for pampering. The scent of the products is lovely and long-lasting. Number 3. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our Aromatherapy shower steamers. Experience a spa-like atmosphere right in your own bathroom. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make excellent presents for birthdays, Father's Day, or just to show someone you care. Melt away stress and tension with the power of premium essential oils. Let the soothing aromas help you relax and recharge. Crafted with high-quality bloom essential oils, each tablet releases a beautiful fragrance. Enjoy a truly immersive aromatherapy session. Indulge in a moment of self-care without the hassle. Simply place one in your shower and let the steam do the work. These steamers are designed to provide a deeply relaxing experience. Breathe in the calming scents and feel your worries fade away. What we like? Experience aromatherapy directly in your shower with these unique steamers. They are infused with premium essential oils for ultimate stress relief. If you or your recipient enjoys a quick yet effective way to de-stress and enjoy a spa-like atmosphere without a full bath, these are perfect for a revitalizing self-care moment. What people say. This gift set is beautifully packaged and makes for an impressive present. The items inside are of high quality and smell amazing. It's a perfect all-in-one gift solution for Mother's Day. Number 2. Luxury 13 PC White Rose and Jasmine Bath Set. Unwind and de-stress with our luxurious 13-piece spa gift basket. It's the perfect way to treat yourself or someone special to a pampering experience. Immerse yourself in the delicate and enchanting fragrance of white rose and jasmine. This delightful scent will transport you to a state of pure bliss. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for a complete spa day at home. From shower gel and bubble bath to bath bombs and salts, enjoy a truly rejuvenating ritual. Nourish and soften your skin with our premium bath and body essentials. Each product is crafted to leave your skin feeling silky smooth and beautifully refreshed. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This elegant bath set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a gift that shows you care and want them to feel pampered. Presented in a charming gold tub and a stylish cosmetic bag, this set is as beautiful as it is beneficial. It's a gift that will be cherished and remembered. What we like? Indulge in a sophisticated scent of white rose and jasmine with this luxurious 13-piece collection. It comes complete with a stylish cosmetic bag and a decorative gold tub, making it a beautiful display piece. If you appreciate a more refined and fragrant spa experience and are looking for a gift that is both pampering and aesthetically pleasing, this set is a wonderful option. What people say. The gift set includes a variety of popular items that are sure to please. Beautifully packaged and presented, making it an ideal gift. The quality of the products in the set is excellent, offering great value. Number 1. Klein Women's Bangle Watch and Bracelet Set. Introducing a stunning timepiece designed for the modern woman. This elegant watch is more than just an accessory, it's a statement of style. Complementing the watch is a beautifully crafted bracelet, designed to be worn together or separately. Achieve a cohesive and sophisticated look effortlessly. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this set embodies timeless design. Its classic appeal ensures it will remain a cherished part of your collection for years to come. From casual brunches to formal evenings, this versatile set transitions seamlessly. Elevate any outfit with its refined charm and undeniable grace. Looking for the perfect gift? This exquisite watch and bracelet set is an ideal choice for birthdays, anniversaries, or just because. Show someone you care with a gift of lasting beauty. What we like? This set combines a classic timepiece with a coordinating bracelet for a complete, elegant look. It embodies timeless style from Klein. If you're searching for a sophisticated gift that offers both fashion and function, perfect for everyday wear or special occasions, this watch and bracelet set is an excellent choice for the mom who appreciates enduring style. What people say. The gift set is beautifully packaged and makes for an impressive present. The products inside are high quality and smell amazing. It's a great value for the price, offering a luxurious experience without breaking the bank. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.